Hey friends. All right, we're going to use our three-read strategy to try to solve this word problem. At lunchtime, 9 children each drank 2/4 cup of milk. How much milk did they drink altogether? All right, so the first question I'm going to ask myself is, what is this word problem about? It's about milk. All right, let's read it again. At lunchtime, 9 children each drank 2/4 cup of milk. How much milk did they drink altogether? Second question I'm going to ask myself is, what are we trying to figure out? We're trying to figure out how much milk did they drink altogether. Let's read it a third time. At lunchtime, 9 children each drank 2/4 cup of milk. How much milk did they drink altogether? So we need to know what kind of information is important for us to be able to solve this. So first thing is I know that there's 9 children, and I know that they each drank 2/4 cup of milk. So the two pieces of information that are important to me are the 9 children and the fact that they each drank 2/4 cup of milk. So now we're going to try to solve this. What kind of equation is this? Well, I know there's fractions involved, and I also know that 9 children each drank 2/4 of something. So that's the same as each child got a certain amount of, or each child was doing some sort of, like, they were passing out something. They were getting, like, not really groups of, but they were being given something or being distributed something. So to me, that's the same as we have these 9 children, and they each got 2/4 of milk, which is the same as multiplication. So that's 9 times 2/4. So I know with multiplication, 9 times 2/4 is the same as you want to do repeated addition. You could do 2/4 plus 2/4 plus 2/4 plus 2/4 for every children. You know, child 1 got 2/4 plus child 2 got 2/4 plus child 3 got 2/4. You can keep doing that, or you could just do simply 9 times 2/4. Well, in multiplication, 9 times 2 is 18 because you only take that whole number and you multiply it by the numerator. And then we don't do 9 times 4. We don't do that when we're doing multiplication. We actually just put the 4 over here, and we just bring the 4 right over. So we know that 9 times 2/4 is 18/4. But that's not the answer, because this is an improper fraction. And we want to, when the numerator is bigger than the denominator, it's an improper fraction, and we want to make it into a mixed number. Well, how do we make it into a mixed number? We got to figure out how many wholes we can get out of this 18 using the 4. Because remember, 4 fours is the same as 1 whole. If you had 8 fours, that would be 2 wholes. So we want to see how many wholes we can get out of this 18. So like I said, 4 fours is 1 whole, so there's at least 1 whole in there. 8 fours is 2 holes, so there's at least 2 holes in there. 12 fours is 3 holes, and 16 fours would be 4 holes. So 4 times 4 is 16, so we can get 4 holes out of there. All right, so I'm going to take the 16 away from this 18 because we can get 4 holes out of there, and that'll give me 2. So 18 minus 16 is 2, right? And then our denominator stays the same, which is 4. All right, and then remember, how many holes did we take out of here? 4. So we got to put that right here. So you have 4 plus the 2/4 equals 4 and 2/4. And if you wanted to put it in simplest form, 2/4 is the same as 1/2. So altogether, the kids drank 4 cups and 1/2 cup. And that's the answer. 4 and 1/2 cups of milk is what those kids drank altogether.